Good morning, respected sirs and madams. Good morning, everyone. My name is Shasrin. I am studying in third class. Today we are celebrating Mega Parents and Teachers Meeting. Everyone knows the facility being provided by the government in our school. We are getting nutritious food 5x per week, chicky and ragi java. Government is also giving free uniforms, better shoes and free textbooks. Government is also giving sports kits, storybooks, FL and kits. Government is also provided 13,000 to every student under the scheme Talliku Vandanam. Government is also giving cleaning material for toilets. Government is also giving smart TVs to learning. Government is also giving. So I kindly request all parents, don't send your children to private schools. It is waste of money. Then government schools are best. Thank you all for coming.
Come here, stand up. Stand up. Very good. Take a book.
You spoke very well.